Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to set up your own Google site, and it's basically a way to set up your own online class. So the first thing is going to sites.google.com and then just log in. Once you are in, you will probably have this site right here only that says Online Computer Science in Java. This is the template that I've set up, and it's just a copy of somebody else's template. So you can click on that and it should bring you into the site. And then in here, this is what the site looks like that I've loaded up with a bunch of stuff related to computer science. You can pretty easily copy this and make it your own. Click in the upper right hand corner on this icon here that has a wheel on it. Go down to where it says Manage Site, and there is an option in here that will allow you to copy the entire site. Please do not delete it because I'm going to be using this for my own course. So just click copy site and then just make this your own name. So let's say I want to make the class for calculus, so I can do that, and this is going to be the URL. So you can leave this as is right here, or you can change this to something different and it will be a different URL. Let's see, I'm not going to have any comments on my pages, and I don't need to copy over any collaborators. So you can choose to click these options if you'd like, but I'm going to leave that alone. And then hit copy. And Google will basically make an exact clone of the current Online Computer Science and Java website. It's going to take this thing a few minutes. And it is done. So now we have a site here called Calculus, and now you can start playing around and changing all of your information that you want to change. So some of the things to get you started is probably the class syllabus. You click into here and you have the ability to delete or modify anything that you want to change here. So you click this checkbox. I currently have an upload for independent study computers. You just hit delete that, and then you can add a new file, and maybe pick something from your own files that you'd like, and it's pretty straightforward from there. Feel free to play with any other choices here, so you can add a new post to the class announcements, edit the current post, or just get rid of this section altogether if you'd like. Here's a reading list. So same thing again. I can customize the list, and you can add more information to this. So maybe if you want something called ISBN, and so now this will update and it'll give me another item in here. And if you click on any one of these rows, it'll allow you to either change the information, or you can also just delete the item altogether. One of the nicer features and one of the more important ones is the class assignment calendar. And this is nice because it is actually synchronized to your Google Classroom. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to go into Google Classroom now. And if I go in here, I'm looking at my BC Calculus course, and I've already gotten some dummy events created in here, some assignments and summer work, and there are specific dates that's associated with this. So for example, this is due August 23rd, this is due in May. So I can actually synchronize Google Classroom into my current site. So if you hit this little pencil icon here that will allow me to edit the page, what I'm going to do is just remove this calendar actually. And then now I am going to add a new calendar, and we can go to Insert up here in the upper left hand corner and click on Google Calendar, and these are all the calendars that I have for all of my classes. So I can click the one that says Calculus BC and select it, and there's some information here that I can choose here, and then hit save. And if I hit save on the page, now I have an updated Google Calendar. the agenda view is probably the best view for you to choose. And there's not a whole lot of useful things here, but if I go into this site, back to my Google Classroom, I can create a new, let's say I create an assignment, and let's just say test, and then let's pick a date. Let's make it due June 21st, and assign. When I go back to this event, if I hit refresh, whoops, it should show up right here, and then it will actually automatically show up for your students. Your students can click on it, they can click on more details, they can click on the link, and it will lead them right back into Google Classroom where they can submit their events. Okay. That's about the most tricky features that's on here. Everything else is pretty much what you see is what you get. You know, you can click on some of these things and add videos. You can click on this link here and then just delete the video and then add a new video of your own if you'd like. It's pretty much straightforward. If you don't want to save, just hit cancel, discard changes, and that is about it. I'll let you play with the rest on your own, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.